Today I would like to talk a bit about medical research and patient and public involvement in research. I have a number of reasons for that, and what I want to tell you really is that I think that ethics is involved both upstream, and with that I mean introducing this new idea about research, and also downstream, with which I mean to answer questions that arise from this new way of looking at research. What happens? Well, as you maybe know, the old way of doing research, there was one project, probably a small team, a number of patients being recruited, and then the research was done and written up and published, full stop. Nowadays, we want this to be different. First of all, we want research to respond to societal needs. That's a very, very important condition. And in order to know societal needs, of course, you need patient and public involvement in determining what the real needs are. Second of all, we don't want research to end with a publication and that's it. We want this to really have impact on society. So we actually demand that researchers also help in making sure that this gets into society. And there again, you need public and patient involvement, because without them, it will never fly. So that means that if we talk about open science means it has to be open at the front door where it starts, where you collect societal needs and respond to them, and then at the end where you disseminate whatever you found in your research. And there's another thing that's happening. Research, as I said, was a project, but it no longer is. It actually is more of an infrastructure nowadays. People talk about learning health systems in which you collect data, you do research, and then you see what the outcome is, and that on a continuous basis. All of that looks very fine, but comes with new ethical problems. We are very used to a clear divide between care and research, and learning health systems actually do away with that divide, and so that leads to new questions about how to do it right. And so what I hope to have shown you is that research really is changing, research itself, medical research, and that we need to respond to that in ethics and need to also involve publics and patients in order to get this right. Thank you very much.